To set up your build settings for VR development, first navigate to the ribbon in the top left of the editor. Then select the File option. Then select Build Settings. In the Build Settings window that appears, find the list of options for platforms in the bottom right and select the Android option. Then right here where I have the Build button, you will see a button that says Switch Platform. The reason why I don't have that is because my project is already set to the Android platform. Yours will be set to Windows, Mac, and Linux. See how I have the Switch platform for Windows, Mac, and Linux because I am currently on Android. The reason why I did this outside of the video is because switching platforms can take a long time. So it is best to switch platforms early on in the development of your app because the bigger your project, the longer the conversion will take. Anyway, you can click the Change Platform option that's here, and that will swap your platform over to Android. Once it is, your window should look just like mine. This may take 2 to 3 minutes for a small project, but could take much longer for large projects. So wait for the build to finish and the domain to be rebuilt, and then you are all set to begin work. When you actually want to build your app, you can go back to this menu, and then you can select the build option that appears right here. This will allow you to build an APK file, which you can then put on your headset to run the app away from your computer and on your headset. And that is how you will run your Android application. That's pretty much all the build settings you'll need for this project, so good luck.